Howdy. This is my video review on this cordless electric nail drill, and it's pretty cute. I really like this feature of it having a clip. It is plastic. I wish it was metal, so I just don't know how sturdy this will be. So you probably have to be very gentle with this and careful. And this is what the front of it looks like. Quality of it is nice. Power on, about 3 seconds, hold down the button. And then this is a little different than what I'm used to. I'm not sure what this K stands for, this initial. However, it's got 5 settings. So here's the pause. You just press the button. When you want it to go forward or reverse, you just press it twice. And then there's the little R, flips to this K. And then there's the F for forward. All right, so now these digits, what's happening here is, don't mind my thumb. Oh, yeah, that's an epic fail. You press this and it'll go through 1 through 5. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I've got it on 1, it'll flip to showing speed of 5. Go to 2, it goes up by 5 intervals. Okay, so the highest it goes up to is 25, which is right here. So that's just the way this one is designed, which is the speed of it. There you have that. And then very simple to put the drill bit. There's no unlocking or locking. You just place it, whoops, right there. Place it on the inside of this, and voila. You've got your tool, easy. And then to remove, and it stays in there really well. Not worried about it popping out or anything. You just pull it out. So, real easy. It does come with a carrying case for this right here, a little brush, and a bunch of drill bits and the charging cord. So there you have it. Make it a great day.
when he didn't know Neely had died and waived his Miranda rights.
This guy was actually threatening.